Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Get to a hand or plastic surgeon and document the damage with photos and a baseline fingerprint impression. Once there, the team will clean the wound and decide if an urgent repair or graft is needed. While you wait for definitive care, follow prescribed antibiotics and tetanus recommendations and keep the area covered with sterile dressing. Make sure to note any sensory loss or pain levels so the surgeon can plan either suturing, grafting, or staged reconstruction. Once the wound is stable, your surgeon will recommend primary repair, a skin graft, or a local flap tailored to restore ridge anatomy. After closure, begin scar management. Gentle scar massage, silicone sheets, and a recommended emollient to improve pliability. These steps change how skin heals and can preserve ridge detail. Make sure to start sensory re-education and occupational therapy within 2 to 6 weeks to retrain touch, improve range of motion, and refine fine motor control. This helps functional fingerprint patterns return. In the final phase, you consolidate gains. Keep follow-ups, consider minor revisions at 3 to 6 months if ridge detail is poor, and continue protective measures like gloves and sun protection while skin remodels. Once healed, practice fine fingertip tasks and use silicone or tape-based impressions to document improvements. If you notice increasing redness, discharge, worsening numbness, or absent ridge formation, contact your surgeon immediately. Early intervention.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.